Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the InCharge All-in-One Plus. I got this as a Christmas present from my brother Jack. So it's compatible with the iPhone, micro USB, and USB-C. At the back, it lists some USB-C devices, some iOS devices, and micro USB devices. Let's take it out. So here it is. It latches together using magnets. And you have here the USB-C connector. And then you have the lightning connector here. And the micro USB connector, this is very clever, is actually here as part of the lightning connector. Pretty clever. And then on the other side, you have the USB connector. And that's pretty much it. So let's attach this to a keychain. So I have this keychain here, also from my brother Jack. So it's only right that we attach it to this. So there you have it. It looks pretty snug, but I'm a little bit concerned that it will open in the pocket. And then the other problem is that the USB-C connector and the USB connector is exposed, so it might not be a good idea to keep it in the pocket with all the keys and dust and lint and stuff. Maybe I can like fabricate a cover, and that will also prevent it from opening. So that's it. A quick overview of a simple device, but definitely I think it will come in useful. Thank you for watching.